Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to turn on comments on TikTok. So to do that, head over to your TikTok application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile. Once you are there, tap on the three lines icon on the top right and then tap on settings and privacy. And once you are there, go to privacy under settings and privacy section. And here you will find the option of allow comments from, and then there will be followers or everyone or something like that. So if you want to turn off your comment, you can tap or change it to no one. And if you want comments for everyone or from some of your friends from your friend list of TikTok, then just change to friends and it will be changed to followers that you follow back. And if you want all of your followers to comment, so change it to followers. So once you change this, tap on cross and it will be allowed comments from all of your followers on your TikTok account. So yeah, this is how you can just turn on comments on TikTok. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.